Hello, my name is Ahmad Muzzamir Fitry bin Sadruddin. So today I will show you our own system, which is food ordering system. So this is our website. So this is for the customer to use. This is for the staff or owner to use. This is our cafe's name. This is the user manual. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, next is I will show you the customer page. Okay, so the customer page has view menu, view order, and receipt. I will show you the view menu first. So as you can see here, this is the list of menu, and then you can make an order here. So I will put some example for you guys. Table number 10, menu ID, I want lasagna. Then quantity, put 1. Okay, the data has been entered. Okay, next is of course the one I drink, right? So I put my name again. Then table number 10, menu ID, I want chocolate milkshake, which is B03. And then I put quantity, which is 1. Okay, I go back and then I can view my order. Yes, you just need to put your name. Okay, here's your customer ID, menu ID, quantity, table number, and total price. Next is you can get your receipt here by inserting your name. So here is you got all the details that you just put while ordering the food, and this is the total price of these two. Okay, next I will show you the sign in option. I will show you the stuff first. So you need to log in the stuff first, and then okay, in the stuff page you have view menu and view order. As view menu is just the same as the customers page, but here you have to put your staff ID, which is 1110, table number, the customer table number. For example, I put 15, and then menu ID, spaghetti A01, and quantity 2. Next is the drink for them. Okay, I go back menu again. Oh, 110, and then table number 15, menu ID, iced tea, quantity 1. Okay, next is another one drink, and then table number 15, menu ID B09, milk tea, and 1. Then I enter this, and then go back, and you can view the order. Okay, this is the order for the staff ID, the staff that took the order of the customer just now. This is all staff ID, menu ID, quantity, table number. And then that's all for staff page. And then now I can log out. And then main menu. Now I sign in for owner. So for owner, I can log in as owner. Yeah, as you can see here, this is the owner's page. You got the owner ID, owner name, owner phone number, owner email. And at the top here, you got menu, profit or loss, all order, stuff, log. Okay, as for owner, you can update or delete any of this menu, or you can insert new menu. Okay, for example, I want to update this spaghetti menu, so press update. Then there's an error, right? So I just delete one and I submit. Then I want to insert some new menu. I put D0 D10 menu name. I put carrot cake. Menu price 10 ringgit. Submit, and then there you go. You have it, carrot cake. And then if you want to delete it, just press the delete button. And then it's done. Then carrot cake has gone. Next is you can find your profit or loss, or look at your profit or loss. So this is the report for 7/1/2020. Total sales is 230.50 cents, and then the high profit or loss 150.50 cents. This enter new is for the order ID. Is to keep track of the sales that have been made. So for example, order ID like A03 or A02, order ID 1252, total profit 150, total loss none. So here you have it. You can enter the cost for this, all of this, which is 2,500 or anything. Submit, and then this is the loss because we did not hit the sale, because this system I just made it by entering the customer just now, so the high demand and the orders all is not tally. So if I put like enter cost 2,500 around there, you will get a loss. Okay, then next is all order. Okay, here you can see all of the order that have been made via customers or via staff. Here you have your order ID, staff ID, customer ID, new ID, quantity, table number, and total price. To differentiate between customers or staffs, there's only customers ID in customers order, and staff ID in staff's order. Okay, next is you can look at all the stuff you have. Okay, this is all the stuff that you have. You got the ID, name, phone number, email, update, delete. Okay, for example, you want to update this guy's phone number, you just update. like this, and then it will change here. And then you want to insert someone new, and then you make one new staff ID for him, staff name, which is Muhammad Ali. Staff phone number is 013245. Staff email is Muhammad Ali at gmail.com. This is for example. So here is Muhammad Ali 1118. So you can delete this person. So yeah, there's no Muhammad Ali left here. So and then you can log out there. Then you can go to main menu again, and there you have it. I think that's all for me to tell you guys how our system works, how our website works. Thank you for listening, and thank you for watching.
Hello, my name is Hanif, and I'm going to briefly explain about ERD, context diagram, and diagram 0. We're gonna start with our ERD. So there is 7 entity, which is login, staff, menu, customer, profit loss, owner. For login, the PK is username. For the staff is staff ID. For the menu ID, customer ID, and order is order ID. And order ID will have 4 foreign key, which is customer ID, staff ID, and menu ID, and username. Owner for primary key is owner ID, and profit loss, its PK is owner ID and order ID. Okay, we are going to move on to our context diagram, which has the system in the middle and 3 entity, which is restaurant staff, restaurant owner, and customer. So customer will enter his details and order details into the system, and the staff also can make new order details, same as customer. Staff also can check the order list that the customer made, and the staff can check menu list as well as customer. He can check the menu to order, and if the customer has finished eating, he or she can see the receipt from the system. The restaurant staff also can input logging details and staff details into the system to register or to log in. And for the owner, he can register new staff. He can make, for menus, he can delete or update or add new menus. Menu details is what is the price, what is the name of the menu, and what is the ID code for the menu. Restaurant, to access the system, the restaurant owner have to input his details to gain access to the system. So restaurant owner will receive daily report from the system, and he can also see the latest menu list. Moving on to our diagram 0. Okay, there's customer, and there's okay. So this is the diagram 0 in detail, which we get from our context diagram. This is a more detailed information, and it includes the name of the process. For example, the customer details must insert customer details, and it will become customer information, and it will be stored into customer database. For another example, let's take the restaurant owner. First, he must input menu status to update or delete, and then it will become menu update, and inside the menu database, it will change. And for the last example, if a staff wants to log in, he or she will input his login details, and the system will verify the login details, and then he or she can log in into the system. That's it from me. Thank you.